What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. A big news is coming from Samsung. Samsung is going to unlock the full potential of Samsung Galaxy S20. In case if you don't know, Samsung Galaxy S20 is coming with a 120Hz of a refresh rate, but that is limited to Full HD Plus resolution. Even though the device provides a QHD Plus resolution, Samsung opted this move just because it feels that battery drain is huge. But at the moment there are two companies which in the future is going to provide the 120Hz of a refresh rate. One is Oppo Find X2 and OnePlus 8 Pro are going to produce 120Hz of a refresh rate and that even in a cheaper price. And also even the user is pretty much concerned for this as well. This puts a pressure on Samsung. Now we get a news from IC Universe that Samsung is working on a firmware update for getting S20 which will allow users to use 120Hz of a refresh rate in QHD plus resolution. The screenshot which shared by the IC Universe on its Twitter account shows there could be 3 modes inside the upcoming firmware update. The higher mode will run only 120Hz of a refresh rate in QHD plus resolution, and the second one is dynamic mode which runs between 120Hz and a 60Hz of a refresh rate and automatically adjusts the 60Hz and 120Hz of a refresh rate inside the device, and it will also run on QHD plus resolution. And the last one is standard mode, and in that mode the device will run only on 60Hz of a refresh rate in case you want to preserve the battery life. So overall if you look at this is a nice move from Samsung, but not providing 120Hz of a refresh rate in a QHD plus resolution will not help the Samsung cause the other companies has provided the QHD plus resolution in their devices. In another news, the Samsung is selling much more units of Galaxy Z Flip in different markets, as you know that it is such a design which is more practical than Galaxy Fold. Also the sales of Galaxy Z Flip pre-order sold in Philippines instantly, which shows us that the device get much more of popularity in all around the world. Also there is a mid-range category device, the Galaxy M31 is expected to be launched on 24 February in India, and its press rendered images has just been revealed over the internet. The images shows us that the design of the upcoming Galaxy M31 is pretty much similar to the old design, just like we seen the previous year. An infinity U-shaped design is going to be seen in front of the screen, and the back we see a new design of the camera setup, and they are 4 camera sensors are going to be seen on the back of the device. And it is also been leaked that the 6000 mAh of a bat is going to be expected to see in this particular device. So at the last the Max which has also shared that the 120Hz of a refresh rate firmware update is going to be seen within 1 or 3 months of a time frame as per the Samsung leaks are suggesting. So guys, that is pretty much it in this particular video. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.